the delete and relist button on Facebook Marketplace. What is it and how does it work? Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetino Media. On this channel, I show you how to create profitable content. So I'm actually back selling on Facebook Marketplace right now. I'm doing a Facebook Marketplace selling series where every Friday I'm doing an episode showing what I sold, my strategies, my techniques. Definitely check that out if you are selling yourself and you're not having much success. The links for that will be in the description below. So the delete and relist button. So this pops up after a certain amount of time when you've listed an item on Facebook Marketplace and it hasn't sold. So you can see that I initially listed this over a month ago and it still hasn't sold. Now I'm determined. I know someone will buy this. You just need one person to buy. So when this button pops up for me, I click it because it's going to delete and relist the item for me. And it's really cool what it does. So I'm going to click on it now. It says we're relisting your item, and it says check back shortly to see the item. And if I scroll all the way to the top and let me refresh the page here, you can see that this item is now listed. Now it does say that it is being reviewed, but that'll go away in a couple minutes, provided that you are not selling anything that you shouldn't be. So I just refreshed the page a couple of times, and because I have a good selling record, the review is done and the item's ready to go. So now it says the new date, which is May 27th. Initially it was April. And so now this is going to be listed in the marketplace as a new item. So it's a really cool feature that Facebook Marketplace has given us, people who sell on Marketplace. It makes it easier for us to actually list things. Because before you had to go and physically delete the item and then go and actually create a new listing. But now it's just with a click of a button. So if you see that the item hasn't sold, definitely click it and make sure you have these things in place before you click it. You have a really good title, really good pictures, the price is reasonable. Make sure you fix all that stuff up before you click the delete and relist button. So if you like these videos, I have a lot of Facebook Marketplace videos. As I mentioned in the beginning, I am doing a Facebook Marketplace selling series, and I'm on this journey to show people that you can get to $5,000 in cash. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.